Applications of mathematics occur in many places, and in my videos I usually like to illustrate some of these applications. Sometimes these illustrations are trivial and sometimes they are advanced. In this video I want to talk about the coffee can investor, a stock picker's journey to build generational wealth. Matt Ankrum is a CFA who's a portfolio manager in Kansas City. He has the goal of investing $5 million, which he hopes to build to a portfolio value of $500 million in 20 or 30 years. He wants to leave this portfolio to his 3 daughters. This book, The Coffee Can Investor, discusses Matt, how he learned about coffee can investing, his research on 100-bagger stocks, and individual chapters on each of the stocks that his coffee can portfolio holds. I first learned about this in a video, which was an interview of Ankrum and with Josh Brown and Michael Batnick, and I recommend watching this entertaining video. I decided to invest a very modest amount of money in a subset of stocks in this book. Every 6 months, I plan to have a brief video on the progress of my modest portfolio, and this is the first such video. I need to point out that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. I have a few limit buy positions in some of these stocks, and I intend to add modestly to my positions over time, especially when they go on sale. Now, Ankrum plans to evaluate his choice of stocks and sell some of those if there's a material change in those stocks. So the stocks that he lists in his book may not be the stocks at the end of 20 or 30 years that are in his coffee can portfolio. Now here are how my portfolio is performed. These were the prices of the stocks at the end of the trading day on August 7th, 2026. So you can see that some of the stocks went up and some of the stocks went down. RTO went down 23%, VERX went down 11.5%, and Globe went down 7.2%. On the other hand, CCC went up almost 51%, Tech went up almost 53%, and other stocks went up a certain amount. Overall, the portfolio gained 12.6%, and it went from an initial value of $902 to a final value of approximately $1,016. So these stocks were purchased on May 20th, 2026, and today is August 8th, 2026. So how these stocks perform in the future, it just depends. We're going to come back here every 6 months and check and see how these stocks are doing. This is how the coffee can portfolio has done so far.